Our double griddle is perfect for making these delicious black bean quesadillas. The Eterna non-stick surface is ultra smooth to repel water and grease and to allow food to slide off easily. Preheat your double griddle on medium heat. Never use high heat. Using high heat can burn food, damage the non-stick coating, and void your warranty. Sprinkle with water to test for readiness. If it dances across the surface, it's ready. You don't need oil for this recipe. Our non-stick cookware is ideal for cooking with little or no fat. Make sure to keep the temperature at medium. Because the double griddle will only have 2 tortillas on it, it can easily get overheated because of the open space. Always use a silicone or nylon spatula to fold in half. Place on the cutting board and slice into wedges. Never cut on the non-stick surface with a knife. Do not use the double griddle to make tortillas from scratch. We recommend using cast iron, like our Mi Cocina by Princess House 10 and 13-inch comals, for making and reheating tortillas. Following these simple tips will help you get the best performance from your non-stick cookware and the most delicious results. Enjoy!